let's show you what's going on outside because it's actually kind of cloudy along Oceanside. Those marine layer clouds took a little bit longer to clear up in the North County coast, but it's coming your way. Poway, crystal clear skies, and our beach is definitely popular, and you can see why. We're in the 60s and 70s there, whereas we're in the 90s and 100s farther inland. Alpine 103 degrees right now. Ramona just shy of 100, same in Warner Springs, 89 in Escondido and 88 in El Cajon. So a very hot day in store for us. Temperatures right now about 3 to 11 degrees warmer than yesterday. This afternoon our highs are going to be topping off about 3 to 8, maybe 9 degrees warmer than yesterday. And tomorrow is going to be even hotter. Tomorrow and Wednesday will be the hottest days. And we're not alone in this. I mean, most of California is sitting in heat warnings or advisories. I'm going to break each of those down for you in San Diego County in our next half hour. But we have this dome of warm air that's going to be sitting here for days, and it's actually helping steer and keep Tropical Storm Harvey, what was Hurricane Harvey, kind of situated right where it is. So our heat is part of the reason that Harvey is kind of just sitting where it is right now. So we're kind of both dealing with two different systems that are going to sit there for a long time. About a 10 to 20% chance for a pop-up shower or thunderstorm near our mountain areas this afternoon. Most areas will just see a few clouds building, and don't expect to see these storms amount to too much, but the potential's there. Tomorrow and Wednesday, the warmest days along the coastline. I wouldn't be surprised if we see some 90s pop up then. Inland neighborhoods, I mean, it's hot all week. Tomorrow and Wednesday are the worst of it, but we're in the 90s straight into the weekend. The mountains also very hot in the 90s. The mountains and the deserts also dealing with that humidity, making that 113 feel a whole lot more uncomfortable. Guys?